Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are continuing a series of making converting Figma design into Webflow templates, Webflow website, sorry. So this is a Figma design which I am working on. We have completed the desktop view of this, for which you can see we have completed the desktop view. We will do some changes here. The spacing is not same as the Figma, and then we will that's a very quick job. Now then we will be converting this design, making it responsive. Converting means we are converting this design to mobile suitable for mobile devices. Okay, so if you have not seen my previous videos, I will add a card to my video, so from here you can see my previous videos where I have built this website from the scratch. Okay, so this is my channel, and you can see this video, it is uncut. It doesn't have any recording, so you can check how I built this website. You can fast forward that, and then these two videos they have this explanation, so how we are doing this. So let's get started. So without wasting time, so now we are in editor. So first of all, I will give this adding actually the margin top of 1 rem, so have some breathing space. No, I guess I'll make it 2 rem. Okay, so looks nice now. So I will go to the responsive part. First is the tablet view. So this is the tablet view. Before I go to the move on to the tablet view, in the desktop view, you see this is the last point, media point. Actually the Webflow triggers is 992 pixels. So first of all, let me check up to this point if my design is breaking or I need some changes on my design or not. So I will do some changes, but not now. I will first make these changes on the responsive part, and then I will create other media queries for bigger screens, and I will reduce the size for the default screen. So this is the default one. You can see this is the base breakpoint. Whatever change you do here, it automatically changes all the screens. Okay, but if it goes like downwards, so whatever I change here, it will go downwards. Okay, and if I add more media queries, more breakpoints, and then whatever I do changes, that will not be that will also trigger, but whatever I do in the larger breakpoints, that will not affect the base breakpoint. Hope you understood. If you don't understand, please put a comment down there, and whatever, if you're not understanding my teaching or I need to improve something, so you can just comment it down so I can improve that. Okay, so let's begin by creating the tablet version. So first we'll go with the navigation, the main header. Okay, so you can see the design. We had the nav links at the left hand side, the logo at the center, and the button at the right hand side. So we will keep that as it is. You can see now the logo is in the left hand side. We'll keep the button, and then we will, this is the menu, and this is the icon, and so I will give a class to this button first of all. So menu toggle, yeah, this is a hamburger menu, so I'm giving a class to it, and this will be the icon, menu, and menu icon. Okay, so what I will do, I will increase the size of this menu icon. It is not and I will reduce the padding for this menu wrapper actually. So what how can we see the menu? It is a menu, right? So it will open once click, it will toggle the menu and it will show us the menu, right? So how we can see that? We can go into the settings, and then you can see it says menu navbar settings. it says menu show or hide. By default it is hide, so when it once click, you can see we will see the menus, the nav links here. So will change the color. We will also change the hover effect. So let me go first of all, I will not make this fixed now. I will change the layout. I will make it static. Okay, so that will stay at the top only. So now when we scroll, so it will scroll with the page. But if it was a static thing, so you might have seen that these are the red now. These have a current like orange color. This all the elements that shows it is the style which we gave in the base or in the previous breakpoint that carries along. Okay, so whatever I do changes, if I make it static, then it will change it to blue. That shows that we have changed this element in this breakpoint, change this style in this breakpoint. Okay, so I have made it static, and now it will scroll. And if it was fixed, it will not scroll, it will be a fixed. Yeah, you understood. So now I will reduce the, okay, I think the button is okay. I will increase the size of it. I will increase the icon size and reduce the padding. So it's 18 pixels. So I will give uh, like 7.5 RAM and press shift and enter. This will change the values for all the padding areas, you can see. And if I just change it to 0.5 and press alt key and press enter, it will only change the top and bottom of that. And if I press this press the like 875, sorry, 875, and shift and enter, and pressing shift and enter, then it will change all the values for top, right, bottom, left, all the values. So I will keep it to 0.75, shift and enter. You will find a plugin where it shows from on my next videos. I will try to add a plugin or something that shows my keyboard strokes at the bottom. And if you know already, please suggest me what is the that you can just let me know the plugin name or the thing which I can, from which we can show the keyboard stroke here. Okay, so the menu looks fine to me. Let me give a box shadow to it, so it distinguishes. Sorry about that. So the box shadow, I will reduce the it like 0.22 rem. Yes, 0.2 rem is fine, and then it's fine. So you'll see a thin shadow, box shadow. That's fine for me. Now I will increase the size of it. So I think it's the font size. So I need to increase the font size of it. So I will keep it like 2 rem. So the size is also increased now. What I need to change the look of this when the menu opens. Okay, so the menu is open but menu is not shown. Let me check why it is not showing. Actually, this is the nav links number. Let me fix it. Okay, why it is not showing when I do it static. Take the navbar. If there is any absolute that index, let me give it that index 7. Wrong with this happening. Then fix it. Okay, just be bear with me because I'm doing it live and you are just static. Okay, so I need to keep up with the question and bottom 0. Okay, it is relative. I need to give this relative also. So actually it is relative to body now. That was the mistake which I have been doing actually. So it is position relative. Okay, I need to give it relative because the nav menu will be relative to this this header. So that was my mistake. Sorry for that. So I will make it keep it top of 60 pixel or want like that. I will not keep it in percentage. I will keep it in pixels. So it is 60 pixel. So I will keep it fixed. Okay. So and I will. I think the background is not good for this theme, so I will change the background. I will also give a box shadow to this at the bottom. Okay, that is fine. It's fine. It looks fine to me. 0.125 frame per pixel. That looks fine. So I will increase the spacing between these links. So that will I will give a padding of more like 0.5 frame, means 8 pixel top and bottom. It will have some space, and as well as I will change I will remove the background for when it is open. You see, it's open, it has a class of open. I will remove the background for that. I will give a background of white, and then the color let's do is like this color. Okay, so it will remove the default. So whenever it is open, as well as I will give a padding of 1.5 to top and bottom to this, and then I think 0.5 was not taken from the bottom. So this is now the menu. I fixed the menu for the tablet view. You can see now, and if we just let me close this setting and let me preview it. So this is how it looks when we click and close the button. Okay. So let me move forward. So now let me go to the hero section. The header, the navigation bar is done. So now you can see the hero section. We had a background actually. hero section had a background. This is the background. So for the mobile version, I will do what? Uh, I will remove the background and I will give this image at the bottom of it. Okay, so how I'm going to do it is very interesting to see, because I need to because you have remembered, like in this hero section we had this is the hero section, we had a custom container, we have inner, and then we have only one div with the content. Okay, we didn't have any other div. So what happens whenever we see that we need to add something, so we need to do it from the base, okay, that is suitable, that is very recommendable. So let me first remove the background of this. Remove the background and make it transparent. I will increase the width of this. It was 55%. I will make it 100%, and then I will not give a width of 100 ph. I will remove it and make it auto. Okay, and then I will give a padding to make it, because in mobile we will try to minimize the scroll for end user. Okay, so that is the reason behind this. So let me go to the main base breakpoint and add a div here, and this div will act as a image wrapper. So how I'm going to do it? Then I will let me first give it a class. It says hero image wrap. So image wrap, and width to be 45% for now, and I will add an image here. Image. Let me get the background image here, but let me give you a, for all images I have, you can see max width is 100%, so it's fine. So I don't need to give any class to the images. So now we don't want this image to be shown in the base because we have the background, right? So what we will do here, we will just make it display none. See, display none, and in this tablet we will make it display block, and then in the inner we will do what? We will give a direction of flex wrap. This is the wrap thing, so it will stack just below that. And then the wrapper for the image, we have increased the width of this content wrap. Now we will increase the width of this image wrap to make it 100%. So this will how it will look like. And if we want to remove this like spacing from both sides, and like it seems like that the image is not looking like, if the image is not you understood, right? What I mean is the image is looking like it is being cut from here, it is not matching the design. So what I will do, first of all, I will need to check the container. It has a padding of 1 rem, okay, from both sides, from right and left. So I will select this wrap. I will remove the margin by 1 rem. Sorry. Margin by 1 rem. I need to give a margin of 1 rem here. Now you see, now it looks more actually to the design. Okay, so I will give a max width to this image. So for that I need to give a class hero image, and I will give a max width of like 60%, so it doesn't move to the, and then margin left to auto. Sorry, this will not work because this is an inline element. I'm going to reset it, and then select the panel wrap, and then but takes a second to write. So this will how it looks like, and not 60. We'll give it like 80. Now in the inner wrap we'll add some padding top and bottom. So 3 rem, alt enter, so it will have the padding top and bottom, as well as I don't think that it needs up this much space now, so I will reduce the space to like 2.5 rem, and the content I will give a margin bottom of 2 rem. So by this way you can see it will have a small it will have some space between the elements. So, and if the image is on the right hand side, I think we need to, it is my thing actually, I don't have the responsive design, so I'm doing it in all by myself. So whatever I think it's fine for me, so I'm doing it. Okay, so I will give flex, and then I will make it from the right. Okay, so I think it goes with the image. Okay, so or else we can make it to the left. It's not looking right actually, or we can just control Z. Control Z will undo all the changes, so it's fine. So let me go to the second section. Here we have two columns, like this is the column. Let me minimize all the one thing. This is the second section. We have a container, we have the two columns with. Okay, so this is the parent wrap and this will be the column. So I will, in the parent wrap, I will need to give them the flex wrap. Okay, and for each and every width 50%, I will give a width of 100%, and also the width of 100%. As well as I will decrease, I forgot that I will decrease this size, the font size of this to like 2.5 rem, and as well as the line height 1.2. Okay, and it will increase the padding to margin bottom to 1 rem, as well as here we see like the spacing is missing. Let me increase the spacing to like 4 rem. 4 rem. Okay, 3 rem. Let me give it to 3 rem. Okay. And this heading is common. You can see if I decrease the size, it will affect all the headings. So I will reduce the size to like 2 rem. Okay, the font size is okay, 16 pixel. This also looks fine to me, and this image looks fine. Here in this section I will, you can see this, all the sections are same. If I change this one section, all the section will be affected. As I've discussed in my previous videos, the part 1 and part 2, where I have created this section and duplicated these sections. Very simple. And now let me decrease the padding here like 2.5, alt enter, so it will affect the both top and bottom of this. I will first of all make a wrap and increase the width to 100%. Yeah, and I need to give a padding margin bottom like 2 rem. And I need to there was a width I have given. I will increase the width. So this will what it looks fine. The footer looks fine in this tablet view. Okay, so now the tablet view is done. So we will go to the mobile landscape view. We will do the mobile landscape. Here we'll take the design, we'll take the styles from the tablet view. Okay. simple changes here. First thing is that the text now, as I've removed the margin, I have given a margin to negative this wrapper, panel wrapper. You see negative, take this edge of this mobile or any device. So we need to give what? We need to make a padding here, one rem. So that will, because this one rem facing to the edges, to the left and right side. And let me check the mobile here as well. So it looks fine to me. So I will not do any changes here. Will hide, hide. I will keep the font size of this same. Section looks fine to me. I can increase the size of it. It also looks we have this huge space here, so I will reduce it to like 10 frames. Okay. And the bottom also like to here. And the footer looks fine till now. So the last point for the landscape mobile is 4.480. So here we see some congestion. What I will do here is I will reduce the size, font size of this paragraph. Globally, I will reduce the font size, right? So I will make it 14 pixels. That would be the last font size I will be using. I will also reduce the logo font size to like 1.4, and I will remove the minimum width. Okay, yes, I will make it auto, so it will not make us take this. So done. Now I think this mobile landscape view is also completed. So let's move to the final one, which is the mobile small device. So it goes up to 420, but I will recommend we must for this generation 320 is fine. 320 I will do up to 320. I will not go beyond that. So here also I will see size for the logo. I will also remove this padding like 9.5 mm, both top and bottom. Right and left also like 0.875 mm. So that will be the size of the button. Font size is fine. So reduce the font size for this heading. Like 1 point. I will also see there is a huge gap now. Doesn't look good, so I will reduce the top to like 1.5 mm. And I will make this set. So the main logic behind this responsive is like to make a website look. These buttons are now. I will. So the thing was what I was talking about is like the main idea for responsive is to just suit your eyes actually. Whatever you see, if it doesn't feel good to you, it will never be good pleasant for the customers or clients. Okay, so that is the thing. So whenever you think that this element is not looking nice, so at that point of time you can tweak that. Use this font size So here we see a problem. You can see the elements, both the elements have the same font size, same padding and all. Still, the learn more button is looking much bigger than the buy now button. Why is this? Because from the beginning it had a border. What border does, it gives width, certain width to it from outside. If I give a 1 pixel border, if the button size is 120, sorry, the button height is 80 pixel. If I give a 1 pixel border to all the sides, so it will be 82 pixels. It will take border from top and right, top and bottom, and right and left also. So here there is a border of 2 pixel, I guess. So that is the reason. Then I have not noticed that. Now in the responsive, I have noticed that this learn more button is bigger than the buy now button. So I will do what I will also make this both the same. Will also give this two, 2 pixel border to this, and color will be now border this both buttons, they are looking the same. And the base point. So if I do any changes, it will automatically reflect in this smaller devices. Okay. So here just those two settings, them, and size just right. Here, what I will do, I will break them. So I will first do break tab, then we will go back in the mobile phone. Yes, how this will happen. And fine. So what I think so setting up them and what. So we have this design. The design is broken. So I will fix it by, we don't need the background to be here, like we will use the cover, or what we will do, we'll make it some different one, not taking it. So we'll color and color this up. So in responsive is equal. So this price matches so 1.5, and here I will do what I will, yeah, that's it. I will do the setting like size, just now each and every element of this we need to make it, we can do it like we can give a width each and every element this, or else we can just make it vertical and then line to the left. Okay, so that will make our job easier, and we will give a gap of like 0.5 for each. So yes, so I will be using, or else I can think I will as well as in the bottom we had two tabs, one for the navigation and one for the social icon are not showing because we have reduced the size 30 mistake, it is not having this space. So here also we will make it like vertical and center. And inside that we also had a text. So here we will do that same thing. Make it center aligned. Bottom also. I think the social media icons looks fine, but the navigation gap, like 25 pm, and keep a margin bottom. And also reduce the heading. So I think the ramp gap like 1 gap. So I will again and devices. Okay. Edit itself. So I will do what with this responsive done. I will go to my editor and I will just publish it. And after I publish that, I will check that on different devices. So I will add this URL to video description as well as the link for my previous video. Okay. So check this. Fine. So let me check one or more device like the iPad Pro. Text are not very visible, not visible, and the background is overlapping the text. Related to it. So hope you learn something. Okay, I'm not say that you learn and everything, but you learn something that you have done from this along, like you have watched the whole video. So how you like, just let me know by the comments that how you like the video. If there is any suggestion, please let me know that. And you think there are different ways that I can improve the quality of my videos, so let me know that, as well as please subscribe and like the videos. So I will be uploading this now. I think the next page which I will be doing is I will be using the same design and converting it to WordPress Elementor. Like, okay. So this is Webflow. Done now. I will use, yes, of course I will use a different design. It's a very simple design. I will get a different design. If you have any free designs, then just place it in the comments. So I will try to do the design. And yes, first of all, after this Webflow series, I will now move to the Webflow. Sorry, my bad. The WordPress Elementor. I will convert this